Hello viewers and my subscribers. Hope you're all well. Welcome to Rani, Vani, Boston channel. It's a beautiful summer months in North America here. Today I have planned to make Sakai salmon fish. I got this frozen fish, Sakai salmon frozen fish from Costco. But you can get a fresh salmon fish. It doesn't have to be wild salmon. This is a wild salmon. Wild salmon tend to, when you cook at the end of it, tend to be a little bit, the muscles are a little bit harder. With the farmed salmon fish, it's a little bit softer. So it should take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. The ingredients are the wild Alaskan Sakai salmon. I'm taking only 2 pieces out of this, and then lemon pepper. It's a seasoning salt basically. Again, I got it from Costco. If you don't have a lemon pepper, just use the white pepper and paprika. I took half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, seasoned salt, and half a teaspoon of paprika and mixed it up and mixed the spices and made into 1 tablespoon of mixed spices. And the other ingredients are olive oil from 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoon according to your needs, and lemon or lime. Lemon is very important ingredients. Please do not add any extra salt. And then rosemary. This one I got it from my garden. You know, it gives the great flavor to the fish. If you don't have a fresh one, just buy the dry rosemary leaves, and you can keep it in your pantry, and whenever you want you can add it for lamb or fish. Okay, and you also need water as well to cook. Okay, before you cook, take the fish out and put it in the water, let it thaw, but remove this plastic wrap first. Okay, so let it thaw for at least half an hour before you cook. Okay guys, let's start making. With this, I'm going to make potato wedges on a pan, not in oven, on a pan. It's a quick preparation. Within half an hour you can make this very tasty, delicious gourmet meal. And I'm going to serve with the fish and potato wedges some pre-prepared salad which I brought it from Costco. Well, obviously, you know, I go to Costco to do the shopping, but you can buy this Sakai salmon in Trader Joe's or in Whole Food as well, and also other grocery stores you can get them. So I tend to do the shopping in Costco a lot, and Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. So that's where I get it from. Sometimes I go to Stop and Shop as well. I have started cooking. I'm just gonna add olive oil. I normally put like a 1 tablespoon, maybe 1.5 tablespoon. It cooks. What it does is the salmon cooks in the water first. The oil which I have added in the end gives a little bit of a crunchiness to the fish. Okay. What you should do is, you can actually take, if you just scrape it, and the skin will come off. I normally take the skin off. I let that to cook a little bit, and then I just scrape it like that. Just to scrape it like this. You see that there are 2 pieces of skin is there, which I am gonna take that. Okay, so you can take like this, the skin. You can see that all the water which was in there is all evaporated, and a little bit of oil is there, which is, I mean, I would say it's a, 1.5 tablespoon I put it, and now it will give you the crunchiness. The salmon fish, when you cook, some oil comes out of fish itself. So I am going to put that on simmer now. Let it cook slowly. Okay, the fish is ready, and you can see that all the water evaporated. You get that nice and a little bit of a crunchiness. And I'm going to just give the last touch to it. Okay, for Weight Watchers plate, I'm gonna serve with the organic Mediterranean crunch chopped salad with pomegranate. So however, this adds lots of other crunchy stuff which I am not gonna use. That just a salad and tiny bit of a salad dressing. Okay, this is a Weight Watchers Sakai salmon with the salad. The Sakai salmon is basically, it's a 0 point. However, because I added a 1 tablespoon of oil to cook, so I will add probably 2 points to that. Salad is 0 point. If you are going to add this cheese, this little piece of cheese, and some croutons, like for example, I will just sprinkle it on it and sprinkle on this. If I sprinkle on this and add some dressing, salad dressing, which came with the salad. If I add that, then the whole meal is going to be 2 points. Croutons and salad dressing 2 points, and salad itself 0 points. So it's a 4 points food. It's a 4 points delicious lunch or dinner. And you can, for dessert, you can add pomegranate seed or 1/4 cup of this size of cup of plain yogurt. It has to be plain yogurt. Okay, this says 5 points, not 4 points, 5 points dinner. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye for now.